Good day. This is Peter Kniff from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. markets for the week ending October 31st. Investors sold stocks last week as rising COVID-19 cases globally and increased lockdowns across Europe, coupled with nervousness ahead of next week's U.S. presidential election, gave traders a reason to sell. The Dow Jones fell 6.5% to 26,501.60. The S&P 500 slipped 5.6% to end at 3,269.96, and the Nasdaq Composite decreased by 5.5% to 10,911.50. All three indexes had their worst week since March. U.S. Treasury yields had a mixed performance last week, with the benchmark 10-year yield climbing as investors sold bonds in front of the presidential election next Tuesday. The two-year note yield was unchanged on the week at 0.152%. The 10-year note rose 1.8 basis points to 0.858%, and the 30-year bond fell by 0.9 basis points to 1.67%. The 10-year note finished the month with its largest jump in yield since September of 2018. The dollar rose about 1.4% last week as an increase in COVID-19 cases globally gave the greenback a haven bid. Gold prices fell for the third straight week despite the drop in equities, and that should be looked at, although gold has had a good run this year. The yellow metal slipped 1.3% on the week. Oil prices fell to their lowest levels in 5 months as demand uncertainties surrounding the spike in COVID-19 cases shook global markets. Thanks for your time today. Thanks for doing business with Castlestone, and don't be afraid of scary markets. Have a good week.